What's up everyone? Welcome back to The Simple Dad. So I've got some exciting news today, especially if you're someone who's been asking for a network speed indicator on your Galaxy phone for years. So it looks like Samsung has finally listened. So a post shared by Samsung tipster Tarun Vats revealed that the latest QuickStar update includes a brand new network speed indicator that can now be displayed directly in your status bar. And honestly, this is one of those small features that Galaxy users have been requesting forever. So let's go ahead and take a look. So earlier today, Tarun Watt posted on X that the latest QuickStar update, version 11.0.3.15, introduces a new network speed indicator option. So in this screenshot, you can clearly see a live network speed readout appearing right in the status bar alongside your other system icons. So if you ever used phones from OnePlus, Xiaomi, Oppo, Vivo, or even some custom Android ROMs, you've probably seen this feature before. But for whatever reason, Samsung never officially included it until now. Now some of you might be wondering, why do you need a network speed indicator? Well, it's actually really useful. So if a video is buffering, if a website isn't loading, if a download seems stuck, so you can instantly glance at the top of your screen and see whether data is actually moving or not. So it's a simple feature, but it gives you immediate feedback about what's happening with your connection. And best of all, it eliminates the need for third-party apps that often add permanent notifications or consume extra resources. So let me show you how to enable this. So the good news and the bad news. So the good news is it's only on One UI 9.0. The bad news is it's not on One UI 8.5. So here you need to go ahead and download the latest version of QuickStar. I'll leave a link in the description down below. Go ahead and download it and install it. Next, you want to go ahead and open up your Good Lock app. In the Good Lock app, scroll down and find QuickStar, switch it on, and then tap on Visibility of Indicator Icons. Now here you'll see these two new options, Network Speed and Ongoing Chip. So in this video, we're concentrating on network speed. So here, this will show the network speed indicator. Go ahead and turn this feature on. And now once you do this, you'll notice right here at the top, the indicator speed has now appeared right there. So whether you're on Wi-Fi, you're on mobile data, your indicator speed will show up here. And whatever you're doing, say for example, if you're downloading an app, any apps you download, it'll basically show you a network speed. So here I'm playing my YouTube video, and here it's basically showing me the speed of my internet. So personally, I love seeing Samsung add these quality of life features. Not every update needs to be some massive AI feature or a huge redesign. So sometimes the best updates are the little things that make your phone more useful every single day. So this is one of those features that should have been added years ago, but I'm glad Samsung finally added it. And hopefully this means they're continuing to listen feedback from Galaxy users. Now I want to hear from you guys. Have you been waiting for the network speed indicator on your Galaxy phone? Or is this one of those features you probably never use? Drop a comment below and let me know. If you enjoyed this video and you want to stay up to date on all things Samsung, One UI and Galaxy devices, please make sure to hit the like button, subscribe and turn on bell notification. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.